So you guys have been loving these series where I go ahead and take a student from zero to making their first 50K, 10K first sale. You guys have been loving it because I literally show you guys everything and I just give you guys the whole strategy completely for free. And that's exactly why we have another series for you guys. This series would take this girl from zero, having no sales at all, from not knowing what to do, to getting her very first sale. We'll be showing the whole process A to Z, so you guys can easily get your sale with no excuse whatsoever, because I'll be revealing everything. Let's get right into episode 1. First thing first, we go over her products. So she's put together a bunch of products using the product research methods as I've shown you guys in my YouTube channel. And I'm gonna go ahead and rate her products out of 10 so that she knows what's worth testing and what's not, and she gets a gist of how to rate products. We rate a bunch of AliExpress products that she put together.
So this is one of them. It's like a customizable foot massage. So the reason I thought this was a good product is because you could assemble it yourself and buy it bit by bit.
Okay, and is it $3 for one rectangle?
I actually wanted to ask you about this. I'm really confused about the AliExpress pricing. Like, when they put all the prices, what's the actual price? Is it the small price? Is it the big price? What actually is it?
So click on one of the colors. So $3.29 is for the red one.
Okay. Yeah, they all vary a bit.
So
but obviously on my website I put them all the same.
So this product is a pretty ordinary product. I don't think someone would actually go ahead and go out of their way to purchase this. There isn't too much of a super wow factor. The first image is pretty cool, but I think this is something that's like a 6 out of 10.
So this is like a cellulite fat reducing device.
Got it. So I've actually seen this product before, and it is pretty expensive. So in order for you to be profitable, you have to probably try to sell this for like an extra $20 on top. So that'll be like 55 USD. At that price, yeah, I think this product will be like a 6 out of 10.
So basically the way it works is that I need to find a tutorial. I think it would look really well if I sort of get those
this is a
YouTube
good product.
videos.
If you could get a good video on showing how this product works, this is like a 7.5 out of 10. Nice, it's very cheap, it has appeal, and this is something people need. So yeah, 7.5. Oh, that's a very good image. That first image itself can be a very good image ad. Wow.
Yeah. And it's really cheap as well.
Yeah, it's very cheap. This is like a 7.5 out of 10.
We go ahead and troubleshoot why her logo in her store is pixelated.
I don't know why the logo comes out a bit kind of pixelated. Like when I sort of zoom in, it's just a bit like even though it's a very high quality image, I don't know why it's like that.
How did you make the image, and is the image a PNG?
Yes, it is. I was sort of just playing around with it, PNG, JPEG, but it was just kept on coming out like that. I don't know why.
Is there a transparent background on it when you make the logo?
That's actually a good point. It isn't. So I could try that.
She has a bunch of products, but how should it be laid out on a website? Like, I recommend just having everything on your homepage, just like Wish.com has.
But I'm not sure. I think there's too many categories, but sort of just what I came up with.
It's easier to probably not have any categories at all and just have all your products on the homepage. Have it like Wish.com.
No categories.
Yeah, no categories.
Now we'll go over pricing. This is a big question a lot of people ask. How do you price your products? This is exactly how you price your products.
So with pricing, what I recommend you do is just add $20. And in this case, for example, the USB barefoot warmer, actually just add $15. And what you want to do is you want to also bring it down by 1 cent. So you, rather than having it at 25, you want to do $24.99 or $24.98 or $24.97, just because it does make it look more appealing. So if the foot warmer, if that costed say $13, you want to add $15 to it, so that would be 28. So that means you want to sell it for $27.99, and then you will charge $6.95 for shipping.
So the original price is $21.90.
Then you'll add probably since it's more expensive, if you're buying something for like $20 plus, then you might want to add like $20 to it rather than 15. So if it's over say $15, actually over 20, add $20. And then on top of that, you will have your shipping that you would charge $6.95 for shipping on top. And then if you use this formula and a product seems too expensive, that means your product isn't cheap enough. So if you bought, say, a hair clip, it costs $10 for like this nice fancy metal hair clip, which is reasonable from AliExpress, but for you to make a profit, you would add $15 to it, so it'll be a $25 hair clip. Now it just seems way too expensive and no one's going to purchase it. That means the hair clip isn't a good enough product for it to have a profit margin.
And yeah, that's the end of episode 1. Let me know what your thoughts are. I literally showed you guys everything. It's how do you guys fail? How do you guys not get results? Like, I'm giving you guys free courses completely for free because I want everyone to succeed completely for free, because this is exactly what I wished for when I first got started. Let's go ahead and announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all to do is drop a comment below, like this video, hit the notification bell, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. On that, hope you guys have an amazing day. Peace.